My name is Anyanwu Onyemechi Christian. I'm a Nigerian resident in Gabon, living in Gabon. I have a knee problem for past 6 years. I tried to work it there in Africa. It was not possible. Not until one of my friends called Kishore narrated me how to come India for knee surgeon, of which we tried to do. I came in there. I met Dr. Saurabh Goyal, who handled the matter free and fair. It's better, I get better, I live in fine. Their services was okay. Both nurses, security, everything is okay. In fact, it's good in need. Now, what's waiting on me is only to work, and I try to work. After a day, 2 days, the operation, I meet up, I stand up and work. And it's where we are now. So, I'm here to declare the hospital in Ahmedabad, very fine hospital, EpicHospital in Ahmedabad, a very good hospital and very good entertainment for people, both national or international. Thank you.